Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide the labels in your Gmail. Now let me show you what I mean. Once you're inside Gmail, guys, if you look towards the left hand side, you'll have a bunch of different labels. You have inbox, you have start, snooze, and the list goes on. Now the ones that are under more are other labels, but these are actually hidden, right? You can even create new labels as well. So you can create a label from here if you so desire. But what I'm going to show you is basically how to show which labels you want to show or hide. So how do you do that? Click your settings on the upper right hand side, click on see all settings, then select labels here. And here you have all your labels. Now have a look at the ones that I have shown and the ones that I have hidden. So for example, all mail, if I would like to show all mail, I can just simply go ahead and click on show and have a look at that. All mail is now visible. What else? Let's go ahead and put trash. Let's say I want the trash to show as well. I can click on that and the trash is now shown. So let's say I would like to hide, for example, snoozed. I can go ahead and I can hide the snooze. And you can see that once I click on that, the snooze is now removed. And that's it. So go ahead, go through the list and you can easily go ahead and make changes. Now, here you also have the section that says categories. You have the different labels that you can show and you can hide as well. So you can basically come here and you can show and hide whatever you want. But that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.